Wow, did we cover a lot of ground. So we showed this at the beginning. We're going to show it at the end. This is basically what you put together over the last few hours. You learned how to get a lead from the website into your CRM, work with that lead, get to creating and converting to a deal, working that deal, and that's merging proposals, pretty proposals, using estimates within Zoho Books, doing electronic signatures, going on to fulfillment, where you flip either the CRM deal so it allows you to deliver against it, project management, looking at projects, Zoho projects, inventory for packing and shipping, all of that in fulfillment. Then you learned how to do support, offering support to your customers, including a customer portal, where you could have a knowledge base, different ways of which they can submit a ticket to you. We covered that. We didn't really cover the HR recruit people. It might be something we add later on. But we did cover the accounting with Zoho Books /inventory/billings. And then lastly, we did some dashboards to manage the deal flow and some techniques and best practices in that regard. So we covered a lot of ground. And if we look at the next slide, here we go. Let's look at all the elements that we did actually, quote, install, implement for you, and how to do that quickly. And the basic fundamental building blocks of which now you can build more from. We did PageSense, Sales IQ, campaigns, CRM, forms, bookings, meetings, writer, sign, click, projects, inventory, flow, desk, books, sites, and subscriptions. We covered all of that in the last few hours. And I think you're at a point now, hopefully, you have awareness. You feel empowered. You know how to do things. You learned how to do deluge. If you ever want to do it again, but at least you know the building blocks for that. You pretty much know, you got a taste of all of these different apps and how to be able to utilize those for your business and to grow your business because of it. You should have enough foundation where you can now take it to the next step and implement more. But you covered a lot of ground. We covered a lot of ground. I'm excited to hear how this works for you. If we end up working together, great. Otherwise, you should have enough here that you can start building off of it and, maybe leverage AI or something like that just to get some additional elements. But now you at least know how some of these things are put together. You can also, knowing how to put it together, if you got a consultant that you hired and they kind of BS you with how long something's going to take, you can say, no, I know how long that is. Or you now have a basis of understanding all these different components and how they could tie together, possibly even better than that consultant. So this is great. I look forward to hearing the success that you have with this. And please leave a review. And we'll continue doing this, get more lessons, get more courses out there for you to leverage and build your business. Best of luck. Go get them.